Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Right, today I would like to show you how to change your gearbox oil in a Nissan Qashqai J11. Right, for tools we will need, as you can see, obviously 2 liters of gearbox oil. This is the Nissan genuine oil. You will need a big syringe in order to fill the gearbox afterwards. A 10 ml. You will need this to get the plastic clips underneath, and also you will need this. So you have removed all the fasteners. Plastic. As you can see, the plastic clips and the screws. We have to find the drain plug for the gearbox. Do not mistake it with this one. This is for the engine oil. This is for the drain plug for the gearbox. Also, as you can see up there, that's the filling plug. This one here is a plastic one. So I would say before you undo the drain plug, make sure the filling plug is coming off easily. Okay, right, so we have undone the drain plug and let it go. Goes to mention that I have warmed up the car before. I went for a short drive in order for the oil to get nice and warm, so it can drain better, because being gearbox oil is very thick. So yeah, now I will leave it drain for a while, and right, I forgot to tell you that we will need one of these as well. These are the brush washers, so you will need one of these as well. I forgot to tell you that. Right, so you get rid of one of these because you will need it. As you can see, this one is crushed. See? Yeah, there we go. That's been crushed, so we will need a new one. Make sure you clean it well before putting it back, so it's not leaking. It needs to be cleaned, and also clean the gearbox side as well. Let's see how it goes. One of these bad boys. There we go. That's it. Now it's ready to go back, as you can see. When it stops dripping, I can put it back on. It doesn't need to be, all the way, every single drop. The more the better, but you'll be the judge. Just going back in. Okay, up and done. So move it out of the way. I don't know how much you can see, but what I'm using here is a 19 mil socket, and this fits perfectly. Okay, we don't have to go crazy here, but just enough to squash it. Don't go crazy, it's aluminium. That looks good. Hope it is. Yeah, should be fine. Right, now, in order to fill it, we will need that syringe, the big boy. So that's gonna be interesting. I will move you around so you can see what I'm doing, and I will bring some light as well. Alrighty, okay, now first half liter is about to go in. I hope I can manage. The position is not ideal. Okay, that's in. That's being in. Let's see. Going slowly in. Yeah, don't rush it, just go slowly. Manual says have to fill it till it comes back out from the filling point. However, I'm not quite sure if my car. Right, the second one goes in. But I forgot to tell you, this oil is expensive. I mean, I could obviously go with a cheaper brand on Amazon, but I read online, and not just read, but my mechanic told me as well now, these gearboxes are quite delicate and I should be using a good quality oil. I don't know how good this Nissan oil is compared to, I mean, how much better it is compared to the cheaper versions online, but I decided to go with it. It's about, I think, paid about £77 for 2 liters, which is a lot. Okay, now we have a second, so this is a full liter in. I hope it's enough. It should be. It should be. Let's have a look. See. Okay. As I said, the position is not the best, but we do what we can. So here we go. Last half liter. And slowly. Just to say that when I removed the filler cap, it was not dripping, so I'm not expecting it to drip now either, because probably it's not straight. So as I said, oh, it's dripping. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is perfect. Yeah. At the very end. That's back in. The under tray is good. All clips done. And screws. Right. Now, let's have a look. So, this is how you change your gearbox oil on a Nissan Qashqai J11. This one is a 17 plate, so if you liked it, if you liked the video, please hit a subscribe and a like. That will help me.